Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, it is told that a uniform meter stick is hinged at one end and it is supported in a horizontal direction by a string attached at the other end. We have to find the initial acceleration of this stick when the string is cut. So first of all, I am drawing the diagram for this question. So this is our meter stick and it is hinged at this end. This is hinge here and the other end is supported by a string. This is the string. Now it is told that this string is cut from here and we have to find the acceleration of this meter stick. So as we can say that this is the center of this meter stick. So here weight of this meter stick acting vertically downward, that is mg, and this distance is L by 2. This is also L by 2. So we can say that torque due to this weight is given by, that is net torque at hinge point, this is point let O, is equals to I into alpha. So net torque is due to this weight and this is mg into distance, that is L by 2, is equals to I naught is the moment of inertia about this end, and this is ml square by 3 into alpha. Now we can further say that this will comes out to be alpha is equals to 3 by 2 into g upon L. We have given the length that as L is equals to 1 meter because it is a meter stick. So we can say that alpha is equals to, this is 3 by 2 into g radian per second square. So this is the acceleration of this meter stick and this is our answer. So we can say that for that option A is the correct choice. Thank you.